Good afternoon. This is Chandana Murthy from Computer Science and Engineering, studying at RYMAC. Today I'm here to give a presentation on mobile ambulance management application for critical needs under the guidance of Pampapati sir. So the contents are introduction, literature survey, architecture, methodology, conclusion, and references. To begin with introduction, the emerging resources in medical devices, wireless communications, sensors, and software applications help in the advancement of healthcare centers. Here, different methodologies are used to implement mobile Android applications for providing an efficient and comfort ambulance service into existence. Ambulance services provides install the application and register the details of the available ambulance services. Enquire can avail of the ambulance facility either by registering the details in the application or directly in the case of emergency situations. So coming to literature survey, in the year 2016, authors PK Banu and others have proposed a work on Android-based application for efficiently carpooling with user tracking facility. And in 2010, Phillips and others have proposed a work on location-based services and Google patents. In 2019, Akhil M. and others have proposed a work on autonomous ambulance management system in International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology. So this is the architecture. In architecture, we have a patient, Android application, app and browser, GIS, GPS, and the cloud. GIS, GPS is used for tracking and the cloud is used for storage. So first, the user requests for an ambulance through an Android where the application already exists or else by the browsing. Then the application will check for the current location or the given address location of a user by using GIS and GPS systems. The main services of application are GIS and GPS for getting the location of the user, and also it is combined to get the best shortest route to reach the incident spot and to the hospital. Finally, the cloud storage for storing and details of the ambulance and the driver details, and the data will be always secure and it will always makes easy to retrieve the data. So coming to methodology, mobile-based medical emergency ambulance scheduling system. First come, first serve is used to give importance to the people based on the principle of first to book, first to attend. Ambulance assistance for emergency services using GPS navigation. The GPS tracker is used by the hospital management to keep track of the ambulance at the all times. Mobile cloud computing for emergency healthcare model. Some important features of cloud storage are it ensures reliability, scalability, privacy, and security for the system data. So coming to the conclusion, in current prevalent Android-based mobile ambulance system, different techniques are implemented for checking availability of ambulance, data storage using cloud computing, finding the shortest path, and identifying the location of the user. These features in an mobile ambulance application using the new technology like GIS and GPS with Google Map for identifying the location of the user and vehicle shortest path. So these are the references. Thank you.
Have you gone through the best paper about this topic?
Sir?
Is this work published already?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the best paper of it?
Yes, sir.